how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows. So if you're not being able to see the Wi-Fi at the bottom right corner of the screen in the taskbar right here, then in order to fix that, first of all, what you need to do is check if there's a problem with Windows or hardware like network card. In order to check that, first of all, go to the search bar and type CMD and make sure to run the command prompt as administrator. And after you do that, type PING space 127.1.1.1 and click on enter. And if you see the result like this, if you see something like this in the screen, then it's pretty much sure that you don't have any problems with your computer hardware, but there's a problem with Windows. So in order to fix that out, what I recommend for you to do is go to the search bar, and in the search bar search for control panel, and after let to control panel, go to internet options right here, click on it, and after you do that, go to advanced section right here, go to the advanced tab and click on restore advanced settings. And after you click on restore advanced settings, make sure to apply the settings, and then your network options or internet options will be restored or reset. The next option that you can try out is hold the Windows key and press R and type services.msc as shown in the text box right here. Click on OK, and after you're led to this page, search for WLAN autoconfig. So it's located right here. So what I recommend for you to do is go to the properties of this option right here, click on it, and make sure that you set up the startup type to automatic, and make sure that the WLAN is running. If you have the stop button right here, then your WLAN is running and you don't have any problems in this section right here. And after you set this startup type to automatic, make sure to restart your PC. And if the problem still persists, then what I recommend for you to do is go to settings, go to network and internet option right here, the third option, click on it, and inside network and internet section, go to advanced network settings right here. And after you do that, go to more network adapter options. Now if you have this option right here disabled, then right click on it and make sure that you have this option right here enabled, right? You can see enabled right here if you have it disabled. If you have it enabled, then what you can do is disable it for a while and enable it back again. And even if you have done that but it still doesn't work out, then hold the Windows key again and press R, and in this text box right here type devmgmt.msc, and after you're led to this page right here, then click on network adapters, and you'll see all of the adapters that you have connected to your PC. So what you can simply do is right click on one of the adapter and click on update driver, and after you do that, click on browse my computer for drivers, the second option, click on let me pick this one, and just click on this option right here and click on next. And after you do that, your device driver will be installed for your hardware. So this might solve the problem that you're facing. What you can also do is right click on it and go to properties, and what you can also do is if you have these controller properties right here, go to power management and make sure to uncheck all of these options and click on OK. One of the options that you can try out in order to solve this problem is just right click on it, and you can uninstall all of the adapters that is present right here in this section. But after you do that, make sure that you restart your PC so that all of these adapters will be restored again after the PC opens up. So it's kind of like the refresh for your adapters available inside your computer. So even if these options don't work out, then what you can do is go to settings again, go to network and internet, and inside network and internet, go to advanced network settings and click on network reset right here. So after you click on reset right here, that will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might also need to reinstall all the networking software afterwards. So this option can help, or else this is the final option that I'm going to teach you now. What you can do is go to command prompt, type CMD in the search bar, and make sure to run the command prompt as administrator, and inside command prompt type NETSH space WINSOCK space RESET. So what this does is that it fixed the network socket errors. So click on enter, and after you do that, type NETSH space INT space IP space RESET space RESETLOG.txt. So after you click on enter right here, this will clear all the IPv4 logs from your Windows. And after you have completed this process, then make sure that you restart your laptop or your PC that you're using. So these are some of the options that you can try out in order to fix your Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows. It's pretty sure that one of the options among these will help you out. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.